Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage, and today I'll show you how you can adjust ringtone volume. So first you have to tap on the settings icon, next you have to pick the sound, and right now when you are here we have to simply go for the volume levels, and as you can see right now we can adjust the system sound ringtone by tapping on the minus or plus if you want to make it higher. And of course, after that, you can just simply go back and everything was automatically saved, as you can see. So, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.